Premium tools and services to consider. AdRoll. AdRoll is an advertising platform among big names such as Salesforce. As a third-party Facebook remarketing provider, it offers powerful segmentation features and one of the lowest CPMs available in the industry. Perfect Audience. Perfect Audience is a third-party Facebook remarketing platform that focuses on capitalizing U.S.-based ad impressions on Facebook. It offers an excellent self-serving dashboard that will make it easier for you to track clicks, drive conversions, and to manage multiple users. Quaya. Quaya is a Facebook-focused tool that every remarketer should have in its arsenal. One of its most lauded features is its A/B testing capability, which will allow you to test every ad variable imaginable without spending a dime or launching your campaigns to try them out. PageModo. PageModo is an advertising tool that provides Facebook remarketers with a wide selection of ad templates, free of royalty images, powerful ad builder capabilities, built-in retargeting, segmentation, analytics, and performance tools. DriftRock. DriftRock is a social media automation tool with powerful features for Facebook remarketers that include signal-triggered ads, automated optimizations, and lead response. AdSpringer. Most remarketers have a difficult time reading and understanding analytic results, which are vital to optimize remarketing campaigns. AdSpringer is an advanced advertising tool for Facebook remarketers looking for a solution, providing them with analysis and performance reporting, optimization, high-level targeting, automated client reporting, automated graphical reporting, and visual representation of important Facebook remarketing parameters. Social Ads Tool. Social Ads Tool is a great platform for remarketing agencies and freelance remarketers that service business owners because it truly delivers lead generation success. It offers automatic ad customizations, deep reporting, and conversion tracking, which is one important metric to track on remarketing campaigns. AdEspresso. If there is one platform that we would recommend to rookie remarketers, AdEspresso would be the one. It is a simplified analytics platform specially designed for Facebook advertisers and remarketers, and it is considered to be one of the simplest, more straightforward analytic tools for digital marketers. It offers easy-to-understand visual analytics, customizable dashboards, and very detailed metrics. Conversion Giant. Conversion Giant is a remarketing agency that specializes in re-engaging the average 94% of people that don't convert after visiting a business website. Its most popular service as of this date is Facebook remarketing, and the company itself takes care of everything. WordStream. WordStream is a web-based social management software that will allow you to simplify and improve your Facebook remarketing workflow through prospective alerts that are customized for the Facebook advertising platform.